This is it. Finally! We're finally gonna draw all the Johto region Lions. So far, we've drawn Raikou, Suicune, and finally, tonight, we're gonna draw the legendary Pokemon Entei! Now let's get started. We haven't gone all night. Let's bring this legendary Pokemon life! Getting started, we start with the crest, the tusks. Here's his fur pelt.
Discover the name far away in the sky. With my friends,
here we are.
Now's the time. Another star is born today. Here and now, I only want to be there for you whenever you fall. I will protect you every day through it all. And we're reaching out for something new.
Here are the spikes.
What is it that I wanted to find? Is it all for you? Could it be that I've got something I can hold for all?
There's the smoke.
Can you feel the ether on the axis? We are calling over you to go follow your dreams. The cluster breaks out from the spirit within you. Find what you believe. This is over, everyone, and we're traveling through the stars. I find the legend flying into the sun. I will never back down from anyone. Looking for Eden through the light. That I will regret, and I know that I'll never forget what you said. Now I can hear your voice echo through the heart that I thought we had.
There he is. That's how you draw Entei. The one who knows how to use Sacred Fire. One of the best legendary Pokemon that has ever lived. I consider this one of my favorites. That's all for now. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what fighter you want me to draw next. Just a reminder, I'm drawing every last one of them. Every Pokemon in the Johto region, I'm drawing.